Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and today we're going to find the differential of this expression cos x over sin x. And this sort of thing um, seems to intimidate a lot of people, and it's really a fairly straightforward undertaking. We're going to need the quotient rule, and I've got that written out here. V du dx minus u dv dx all over v squared. And I've done what I normally do, which is I've set out the various parts of this. So u is the cosine of x, du is negative sine x, v is sine x, and dv is cos x. So it really becomes a matter of just putting these into the formula and maybe doing a little bit of tidying up. And in fact, it's the tidying up that often loses people points. You know, they'll get the essentials of it, but they won't get it in its simplest form. Okay, so let's start. Well, v is sine x, and we have to multiply that by du dx, which is negative sine x. And from that, we subtract u, which is the cosine of x, so that's cos x, times dv dx. Now, dv dx is cos x. So that gets multiplied by that gets multiplied by that, and the two get subtracted from one from the other. And that is all over v squared. So that is sine squared x. Okay, well, let's tidy this up a little bit. So that's negative sine squared x minus cos squared x. I hope that makes sense. That times that, negative sine squared x. That times that, cos squared x, and we have to subtract it. And that is all over sine squared x. Now, a lot of people would stop here. And you might find that if you're given this as an assignment, you wind up with half marks. There's something we can do here, just in this top line. So we're going to take out a common factor, which is the negative 1, if you will. So sine squared x plus cos squared x, put those in brackets, put the minus sign out here. Sine squared x. Okay. Does that look familiar at all? It's part of a trig identity. This equals 1. Sine squared x plus cos squared x equals 1. Think of the unit circle and think of the triangle that you see in the unit circle when you first start out. It's a basic trig identity. Okay, so sine squared x plus cos squared x over sine squared x can be simplified to negative 1, that's this whole bracket, over sine squared x, and that is our answer. I hope you found this useful. Thank you very much for watching. If you did find it useful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.